Hi, my awesome sister-in-law sent me some goodies from Avon today, and I want to unbox them and share them with you. Love getting goodies in the mail. There's some earrings in here, some makeup, fun stuff. Let's see what we've got. Packing materials. Okay, let's get some of these boxes out. Oh yes, Bug Guard, mosquitoes love me. That is a much needed treat. And Avon catalog. Let's see what goodies we've got in here. Ooh, I do remember this now. This fun package. Okay, so we have the bug goodies. As I said, mosquitoes love me. So I really need that. Dusted and Glamour Drop earrings. Let's see what these are. Ooh. Ooh. Very sparkly. Look at these. Circles and circles and circles. There it is. Look at that. It's really pretty. Oh, fun. Very sparkly. Like that. Okay, one set of earrings. Earrings. I have another Avon True Color eyeshadow for eyeshadows. Let's see if it's Avon. Ooh. Look at those great colors. And I know this is going to sound silly, but this case was really easy to open. And I really like that. Those are some wonderful colors. Those are all very good in my palette color spectrum. And a darker gray. Yeah, I'm gonna play with those a little later. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Shimmering teardrop earrings. More earrings. Love. Ooh, love earrings. Look at these. Can you see those? Gotta get these out of the package. Wowza. Look at those. Those are really pretty. Yes, I know I'm wearing two different kinds of earrings. I really like the colors on both of those. And True Color Moisturizing Eye Makeup Remover Lotion. It's gonna come handy with the other stuff. All packaged up. Eyeliner. Good stuff. And color eyeshadow. Box open. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Ooh, this is more of a neutral color palette of the eyeshadows. So we're gonna play with those a little bit later. Those are all the goodies. And oh, I have one more thing. Intensive Healing and Repair, Hydro Boost technology. Also good stuff. Thank you, Pam. I'm very excited to play with all these goodies. We'll do some makeup later.